Hey guys, welcome back to Arthur Train Spotter. Today we are here at the Langport overbridge once again, well, huge Piscopy overbridge. We have a class 800 coming from, I think it's class 800, there's multiple class 800s. It's coming from Plymouth to London Paddington. Hopefully we'll get some tones from the driver, hopefully he or she's a nice driver. So yeah, it'll be here in about 1 second. Well, not 1 second, but we saw it about 2 minutes ago. Well, less than that, really. There it is, guys, up in the distance. All train drivers know what this means. Oh well. Hello, driver. Got a single tone, not too bad though. And off it goes. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.